What is a duff? A duff occurs when a golfer strikes the turf before making contact with the ball. This mission typically leads to loss of power and distance. Poor ball flight often shortened off target. A visible divot created by the club digging into the ground prematurely. Duffs are most common with iron shots, chips, and pitches, but they can happen with any club. The term often carries a humorous or self-deprecating tone, as golfers frequently use it to lighten the mood after an errant shot. The origin of the term duff. The word duff originates from Scotland, the birthplace of golf. In Scottish dialect, duff means to strike something poorly or clumsily, making it a fitting description for an off-target golf shot. The term likely became popular in the 19th and early 20th centuries as golf gained prominence, especially among players who embraced the unique terminology of the sport. While the exact date of its first use in golf is unclear, duff has remained a staple in the sport's vocabulary, serving as both a technical term and a lighthearted reminder that even the best players make mistakes. Why do duff shots happen? Duffing a shot can be caused by a variety of technical, mental, and environmental factors. Here are the most common reasons. Technical errors. Poor setup, incorrect ball position, stance, or alignment can disrupt the swing path, leading to early ground contact. Weight distribution. Failing to transfer weight correctly during the swing often results in a duff. Swing mechanics. An overly steep or shallow swing path can cause the club to hit the ground too early or at an awkward angle. Mental factors. Overthinking. Focusing too much on mechanics of the shot outcome can cause tension and disrupt natural motion. Nerves, anxiety, or pressure to perform increases the likelihood of mishits. Course conditions. Uneven lies. A ball positioned on a slope or in thick grass requires adjustments to avoid a duff. Soft turf, wet or soft ground can cause the club to dig in too deeply. How to avoid duffing shots. Although no golfer is immune to the occasional duff, consistent practice and attention to technique can reduce the likelihood of misshits. Here are some practical tips to help you avoid duffing shots. Check your setup. Focus on weight transfer. Smooth your swing. Practice with purpose. Adapt to course condition. Why duff shots are a learning opportunity. While frustrating, duff shots can also be valuable learning experiences. Each mission provides insight into areas for improvement, whether it's swing mechanics, course strategy, or mental focus. Many golfers find that addressing their duffs helps them develop a deeper understanding of their technique and a greater appreciation for the game's challenges. Conclusion. A duff is a poorly executed shot that serves as both a challenge and a lesson for golfers. With roots in Scottish slang and a long history in the game, the term highlights the universal struggles of players at all levels.